Welcome to the channel. Trying to figure out the best trading platform? Let's see how to open an account on Puprime. Alright everyone, so I'm going to show you today how to get into Puprime, how to start trading with it, and why this is a really good program to use. But before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not wanting to lose. Alright, this is easy, even if you're a beginner, even if you're like, what the heck is trading? What's a brokerage? Don't call your broker, sign in. So we're going to see how to do that, but first you have to click sign up. Alright, so you can be an individual or a company. Now, if you're a company, you'll click company here, and you'll want to have like an LLC, all that type of stuff, company authorization. But if you're just a dude, like I'm just a dude, although I have an LLC, I'm going to register as an individual. So, first country of residence, then all we got to do is put in our name. Then we have all this stuff here, and we simply click create account, and we agree to everything. We'll say thank you for signing up, redirecting to our client portal. So now after you've logged in, you can go ahead, put in your first name, last name, what country you're from, nationality, next, platform. I'm just going to keep that MetaTrader, account type. You can go to Prime, ENC, Islamic, or Cent, but I'm going to keep mine at standard. Account currency, next. All right, then we're good to go. Next, we want to do ID verification, so you want to have your ID out right here. So you can do this on a phone, but you want to have something like your government ID. So you provide personal information, you can continue on this device. So you just can say that all countries except USA. If your nationality, then you'll continue. Then you want to do the issuing country, what you have, the type of ID, and then you'll show it right here. After that's done, you've done the KYC, you've done the registration, so congratulations, you're good to go. Then you can see the accounts here that you have. You can also deposit in here using multiple different currencies, but you do have to do verification first. Then you can put the amount. You can also see various different promotions that they have going on here. Downloads and tools, if you want to use their calculator, the auto cherished, and the profile. So that is simply how you do it. It's very, very easy. I can see my profile right here. Security management, I can go ahead, set up two-factor authentication or authenticator app, and even transfer here if I want to change the account. So that is how you can get started on Puprime. As I said, very easy to get started. You don't have to be a trader. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to be a stockbroker or a crypto bro, or some dude with like 6 monitors open. You just have to follow those simple and easy steps, and you're good to go. Let me know if this was educational and informative, and if you have any questions. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.